Hello and welcome. My name is Seshu and I'm part of Net Experts Academy. In this video, I'm going to show it to you how you are going to allow only the particular port. Because if you see in my previous video, I hope you are remembered guys. This is my third video for FortiGate NAT. Okay, if in case if you don't see those videos, you can go and see. Initially, I explain about the topology, which is this, what exactly I'm trying to do. Then after that, I showing to you how to configure this lab, which is this. Then now I'm going to show it to you something tricky. Now you guys can see here. Let's open my FortiGate firewall. This is my FortiGate firewall. So here you guys can see what I did exactly. In my FortiGate, I have configured one virtual IP. If you see here, just double click, and it's saying that the traffic which is coming from outside with this public IP 89.98. And somebody trying to access this public IP which is 89.98.99.5, I'm going to forward to 192.168.1.5. This is what I did it. But sometimes imagine that, let's say here, go back to your topology. Let's say your customer right now, this guy he is having lot of IP addresses, right? Almost 14 public IPs he has it. But again, two we don't use it. Why? Because one for my service provider and one for my side, correct? Then after that, I have remaining 12 public IPs are there. Imagine sometimes maybe you have 89.98.99.0/30. So which means you have only two public IPs, right, guys? So one is at your service provider, one is at your side. So that time what people are going to do, they are going to do the port forwarding. Get my point? So that's what I'm going to do now. So what I'm trying to do now, I'm going to use the same public IP. Let's open my FortiGate firewall. You can see the same public IP, but I'm going to enable the port forwarding. So click on here and you can see something strange. It's saying that protocol is a TCP protocol, port mapping type. Okay, external service port, what is that? Is going to comes with 23. Map port is 23. Okay, external port, how is trying to come from outside? He comes with 23 and I'm going to send this to 23. That's it. Say okay. This is something strange. You get my point, guys? Now you can see here. You can see here. Go to my Windows PC. I'm sorry, guys. So exit. Still the connection is there. Okay, now I'm going to do the telnet. So this is actually my previous connection, guys. Okay, don't get confused. Now telnet again. See, I'm able to access admin Cisco 123. Congratulations. Now exit from here. So now you can see the connection is established with telnet. Telnet by default is using port number 23. But here I want to make a little bit trick here. But this time I'm trying to say that use 2323 for security reasons, that I'm forwarding to port number 23 and say okay. Now you will see something strange. Try again. This time enter. See, it's trying to connect, because the problem is that by default the telnet is going to use port number 23. But I'm trying to say, hey, when you are coming from outside, you must come through port 2323, and that port I'm going to forward to 23. You get my point, guys? So it's very simple, guys. This is what you need to learn. Everybody has to play like this. So here I'm saying that I need to come from 89.98.99.5 with port number 2323. Then this one I'm going to translate with 192.168.1.5. This is what I'm trying to do. You get my point? But here we can see here, just I'm trying with this, but I'm not giving any port number. If you don't enter any port number, by default, Telnet is going to use port number 23. The same port it's going to use. But what I'm trying to do now, I'm trying to say Telnet. Telnet. Then after that, you can say 2323. Now you can see the connection got established. Now you can type admin Cisco 123. Congratulations. You get my point, guys? The connection is established. Yeah, now you can go here on my router and you can see here when you type show users, I'm sorry, I'm here in router 2. Yeah, that's correct. Show users, I can see here it's saying very clearly. Okay, but again, what is this 68? Oh, the previous connection I didn't remove it, guys. Where is that? Go to router 3. It's here. Exit from here. Once he exited, then you cannot do anything. Yeah, once he exited, you are not able to do anything. I hope you are clear, guys, what I'm trying to say. Okay, because the concern is that I'm not able to do anything. Yeah, because I'm there. So I'm going to say reconnect or else disconnect. Yes. Then again you can say reconnect. Congratulations. So wait for a few seconds. Then after that it's going to comes back. You get my point, guys? So the connection has lagged out. Did you see that? So now you can type do show users only one person. So he's using this terminal session 3. You get my point, guys? One. You can see here terminal 1 that he is going to use. So this is the one of the important thing that you need to understand, guys. Okay, so right now the guy he trying to access from this and he's able to access it, right? So I think so. You guys are clear about it, yeah? So this is what exactly how it's going to work. So this is you can consider as a port forwarding. But whenever you get these kind of requirements, and you can simply say the port forwarding. But maybe you say that issue, is there anything wrong with this guy? No, 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 no wrong, guys. So I'm going to see here, I'm going to reload this. So that is going to be reload and everything will be fine. Okay, wait for a few seconds. You just want to stop something if you get a challenge, then start, then after that start again. See, no need to worry about it. It's very simple, guys, especially when you are trying to do with GNS and all. These are the, I can see here, show IP interface brief, everything is back again. See, and you can type here, show IP route, everything is back. Now you can say, telnet 89.98.99.5. It is not going to establish. Why? I told you, you need to go with the specific port number. Now I can say 2323 Yalla. You can see here. Now I can say admin and Cisco 123. Congratulations. Okay. And also you can go to router 2 and say show users. It will show you very nicely. Are you clear, guys? And again, you just come out and exit from here. That's it. So nothing to worry, guys, because whenever you find some challenges, always you try to stop and start it again. But always my recommendation for you is you try to have a server, and in the server you try to run this all images so that you will have a proper memory, proper CPU, and also in case if you required higher memory, you can able to add it as well. That's the beauty of it. Yeah. So I hope everybody is clear. I hope this has been informative and I would like to thank you for viewing.